What's going on, guys? Welcome to our unboxing video with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Okay guys, so here it is, the box of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. It's a black box, very minimalist, very simple, typical for Samsung. On the side here we have the full name of the phone. It's a long ass name, Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. Let's open it up and see what we have inside. To be honest, it's a fairly basic packaging here. First up we have the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. The camera bump, by the way, is just massive. That thing is huge. It doesn't show so much on the renders and images, but in person, it's just enormous, that thing. It's just huge. Next up, we have this black lid here. Center stage for the super fast charger. It's a medium-sized charger, not too big, not too small. It goes up to 25 watts, so it's very, very fast. And we then have this compartment here where we have the USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. And finally we have earphones, wired earphones, good old things, with the powered by AKG sound, and we also have a bunch of additional ear tip sizes for different kinds of ears, but these are the earphones. All in all, they have rubber ear tips for a snug fit and some passive noise isolation. They have the remote here with the microphone, and of course they have the USB Type-C connector. And so back to the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's remove that plastic. It comes with a pre-applied screen protector, so I'm not gonna remove that. And of course we have the new Mystic Bronze color. It is a matte finish, unlike previous versions of the Galaxy S series and the Galaxy Note. This one has a matte finish, but it's very, very nice to the touch, definitely. And of course, tucked in here is this fancy new S Pen, again in Mystic Bronze color. It looks very, very nice. Okay guys, so that was our unboxing video with the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let us know if you dig this device, and if you dig us, just give us one of these, and I'll see you guys in the next one.